everybody, my name is Sarvind and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be creating a liter to milliliter and kg to gram app, but this time with a switch. So to make it to a switch, now we need a few simple components. Like first, I put two text inputs. Then you have to put a button, uh, button, actually two buttons. All right, and now you need two labels to say the answers. So now how do we uh make sure how do we use the switch? So for that, uh, we this video is going to be split in two parts. For this part, we are going to be doing the liters part. Next video, we will be doing the kg to gram part. So now we just take this switch, keep it here. All right. Now you could just put a value to true, false, true, false. All right. So now you just give a space around, like yes, there you go. And now this time, unlike other videos, we don't usually just care about naming the IDs, like naming them. This time you actually have to make it easier for yourself to remember. So text it's like your report make sure understand that yeah this is for liter and this is for milliliter because we are going to be coding in the same page. All right. So we'll put this like text liters or just L. It'll be simple enough. And then here has to be like text kg. Simple enough. So for the buttons we just need to do calculate calculate for both. And then here also for calculate. There you go. Now you need to name this accordingly, like L K L K. Alright, so once you're done that, there's no need to name the switch because it's going to be there. So now for the KJ one, you go to all the KG text input button and label, and now you just put the visibility to false, so you can't see them. Put it for all of them. So visibility is false here, and now visibility is false. So now you have, and also maybe you can increase the font size. Basically, just so I put this to 25. You won't be able to see the other one, but you cannot see the others, so you'll have to just um, yeah, there you go. That's basically the entire design of it. Later you can do the others. Now, now you need to go through the blocks and then you need to do when button uh, for button for liters is clicked, then you do uh, set text of label uh, L to to now you just take this, multiply, and then you go to now you just get the text and then into 1,000. So that's basically it for this one. We do like one, calculate one. Let's say 100. 1 second. Yeah, now there you go, 1,000. So that's basically it. So now, actually, let me show you how the switch works. So now you just do when switch value changes, then if new if if new value equals to, so right now the switch is in true, which means that is the liters part. So when it becomes false, so you go here and then take when it equals to false, then you hide all of the liters by using the visibility. We just hide all of them, and then you put the uh, parts of the, what do you call this, the kg to gram true, I guess. Yeah, so now you need to go to this and make it false, and make the L also to visibility to false. And now you need to put the kg to true. It's already set as true here, so you just need to just bring the around one. There you go. You just do button K, then you do visibility true, and then you do the label K to visibility to true. Alright, so now let's see. Hmm, if you do this, and now it won't work here is because it won't work here. It is because I did not add any code for it. So for now, we will actually just to see if it works. We'll just write for a text cell. We'll just write type meter, and then for kg one, you'll just write type kg. Alright, yeah. So now you can just so you can see. So now if you do this, now you can see that it switched everything. Now you need to actually do go here and then do else. Else means that if the new value is not false, it's true, which here then you need to turn everything here to basically true and then here to false. So now you just start saying true, mm, visibility to true, and the label L to true. Alright, now you just do the kg to just to false, button k to false, and then the label k to visibility to false. Alright, now let's see how this works. And now it starts from liter. Now if you just write 1, comes correct. Not a big deal. And now if you do this, it goes to kg. And now if you go back, it goes back to this. Alright. So actually, let's actually, since this is a simple code, we just do the kg1 today itself. So you just do button. It's basically the exact same for this. Just the components are different. Label k text to text. Okay, yeah. So now you're basically done with the app. If you want, you can make like changes. Like when you can make like a few changes, like when it changes. Actually, I want to make a one change. Is that when they like change, then the text inputs and the labels will be completely back to zero. So you just do it like the text here, set text to nothing. You just basically just do nothing. And now you just do set label to nothing. And now here you do the exact same, but just you can just do like duplicate and then just bring it here and then just change this to text, and then you can just do it like duplicate label L to 0, and now we can just see if it works. So if you do like 1 11,000, nice. And now if you do this, go back, yeah, it becomes empty. And if you do this, yes, 10. If you do here, go back, yeah, there's nothing. So that's, I mean, that's basically it. But if you want, which actually, there are many change, there's many ways you can do find and improving this app. Like you can just do like space here. Or yeah. So now you have a space and now you can just write ml, and then here you can just write an extra one. Here's actually I put it wrong place. Nice. Alright, here you go. So now you just do space, and now here you do grams. Now if you do here ml, you can see the ml here, and if you do here, you can see the grams. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.